In this video, I'm going to show you how to use 18birdies app. So this should be a quick and easy process. As you can see, when you log in, this is the community tab. You can see here all of your friends, posts, and everything else. And this is your account. As you can see, you can add friends from this. Just click on continue. You can add from contacts, you can enable contacts, or you can copy the link and send it to your friends. And here you can play. This is the golf course, as you can see, and these are other courses you can check to play also. As you can see, you can just scroll down to see all of the courses available, and there is also a school tab. You can learn or you can be a coach. So click I am a player to learn and then click continue to use it. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.